Hello everyone, I'm Arna and let me tell you something about myself. I'm currently in high school and I want to be a doctor once I grow up. That's why I love science. So today we'll be understanding the fundamental unit of life. Isn't it so exciting? Life, as we know it, took billions of years to evolve. From the very first precursor of life to the multitude of multicellular organisms that we see around us today. The most basic unit of all these is the cell. All about cells. Cells are the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. A number of cells can work together to form tissues and organs. Cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which the food releases energy in the mitochondria. Cell absorbs glucose from the food and burn it to produce energy. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Two types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are primitive and lack well-defined nucleus. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced and have well-defined nucleus. Cell structure in eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells have the most well-defined structure. These cells have cell membrane, membrane-bound cell organelles, and a well-defined nucleus. The nucleus has its own membrane called nuclear membrane. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outer covering of a cell. It is made up of a phospholipid bilayer membrane. It is selectively permeable in nature. The structure of a cell membrane is best described by the fluid mosaic model. Diffusion. The movement of molecules from a region of high concentration to a region of their lower concentration is known as diffusion. Example, carbon dioxide and oxygen move across the cell membrane by diffusion. Osmosis and selectively permeable membrane. Osmosis is the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane. Osmosis is a selective process since the membrane does not allow all molecules to pass through it. Water is usually the only free-flowing molecule across this membrane. Isotonic, hypertonic, and hypertonic solutions. Isotonic solutions are those which have the same solute and pH concentration as the surrounding body fluid or the cytoplasm. Hypertonic solutions contain less amount of solute concentration compared to the surrounding fluid and can force the cell to rupture due to excess input of water into the cell. Hypertonic solutions contain a higher concentration of solute compared to the surrounding fluid and thus push water out of the cell, shrinking it. Cell walls in plants. Plant cells are different from animal cells due to the presence of a cell wall. The cell wall is made of cellulose and gives a rigid structure to the plant cell. It provides structural support to plants. Due to cell walls, cells of plants, fungi, and bacteria can withstand greater changes in surrounding conditions than animal cells. Example, cell wall enables the cells to withstand hypertonic solutions without bursting. Cell organelles. Eukaryotic cells contain various membrane-bound organelles that carry out various functions in the cell. Example, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, etc. Endocytosis. Endocytosis is the invagination of the cell membrane, followed by pinching off, forming a membrane-bound vessel. This is commonly seen in amoeba. Nucleus in cells. The nucleus is the processing unit of the cell. It is a double membrane-bound organelle which contains the genetic material for inheritance. The nuclear membrane contains pores that allow the transfer of materials from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. The nucleus is the brain of the cell as it controls various functions such as cell division, reproduction, inheritance, etc. The nucleus is the brain of the cell as it controls various functions such as cell division, reproduction, inheritance, etc. The nucleus contains genetic material, in other words, chromosomes that contain DNA. DNA carry information for inheritance from parents to offsprings. Prokaryotics lack a well-defined nucleus and the genetic material is present in a region known as the nucleoid.